following her triumph in academic performance and excellence in leadership. To deliver the valedictory address, ladies and gentlemen, please give a resounding applause for Rehen Gretel S. Queen with honors.
To our respected school division superintendent, Ma Maria Teresa P. Hirosa, to our public school district supervisor, Ma Maria Carla L. Romanelius, to our school principal, Mr. Jose Junjun Siandibor, to our dedicated teachers, distinguished guests, proud parents, and to my fellow graduates, good afternoon. Standing here before all of you is both a privilege and a responsibility. We are not just celebrating the end of our elementary journey. We are celebrating years of learning, growth, friendship, and dreams slowly taking shape. When we first entered these school gates, we were young, curious, and a little unsure of what lay ahead. We learned how to read, write, count, and discover the world around us. But more than that, we learned how to be kind, how to share, how to stand up after falling, and how to believe in ourselves. There were days when lessons felt difficult, when exams made us nervous, and when we thought we couldn't do it. But here we are today, stronger, wiser, and ready for the next chapter. Every challenge we faced became a stepping stone to this very moment. On behalf of my fellow graduates, I am deeply honored to speak before you. But this honor does not belong to me alone. It belongs to every student here who dared to keep going. To our dear teachers, thank you for your patience, your guidance, and your unwavering belief in us, even when we doubted ourselves. Because of you, we learned that we are more capable than we ever imagined. You didn't just teach us lessons from books, you taught us lessons for life, and how to face it with courage, discipline, and integrity. You are the heroes behind our success. To our parents and families, thank you for your endless love and sacrifices. You were our first teachers, our biggest supporters, and our constant source of strength. You are our great inspiration. And to my family, thank you for all of your sacrifices. It is the silent foundation of my success. Everything I have today is because of you. This achievement is not mine alone. It is yours as well. To my mama, daddy, ate, kuya, mommy, uncle, grandma, Nanay Mila, and Mommy Elsa, thank you so much. I dedicate this milestone to you with hearts full of gratitude and love. To my fellow graduates, we may go our separate ways after today, but the memories we created together will stay in our hearts forever. The laughter in the classrooms, the friendships we built, and the dreams we shared. To CBJSMS band members, thank you for trusting me as your leader. Every practice, every performance, and every challenge we faced together has shaped not just our music, but our bond. You are not just members. You are a family that played every note with passion and heart. To my radio broadcasting team, thank you for your creativity, teamwork, and dedication. Behind every successful broadcast was your hard work, your voices, and your commitment to excellence. I am proud of everything we have achieved together. And most especially to my SELGN Scout family. Thank you for the leadership, unity, and service we shared. Being part of this organization has taught me the true meaning of responsibility and compassion. You have been my support system, my inspiration, and my strength. I may have been called a leader, but the truth is, you all made me one. Thank you for the memories, the lessons, and the friendships that I will carry with me forever. As we move forward to a new chapter, let us carry with us the values we learned: respect, perseverance, and courage. The road ahead may not always be easy, but we now know that we are capable of overcoming anything. We may be young, but we are already filled with dreams, courage, and potential. Let us dream big, work hard, and never forget where we came from. This is not the end. This is only the beginning of something greater. Always remember, your background does not define your future. Your determination does. Dream boldly, work tirelessly, stand up after every fall, and never forget to be kind. Because the world needs only not intelligent minds, but also compassionate hearts. As we leave the halls of Congressman Vicente Castillo Sr. Memorial School, we carry with us more than knowledge. We carry values, friendships, and a fire within us to achieve something greater. May we continue to shine wherever we go, making our families, teachers, and ourselves proud. This is not goodbye, but a see you later to the place that shaped our beginnings. With grateful hearts and hopeful dreams, we step forward into the future. Congratulations, batch of 2026! We did it! Once again, this is Rihan Gatos and Degan Queen, always reminding everyone to aim high, dream big, and never stop believing in what we can become. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Thank you so much, Rihan Gretel. Thank you so much for bringing sunshine to all of us today. And you are truly great, not only to your family, but also to the school and to your fellow graduates. Thank you once again.